This is a used 2007 Cadillac DTS. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include internet connectivity, electric trunk, leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, and alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.